there are no cup holders on this hot tub. So today's project, I am building a folding table. I was originally gonna build this table with hinges and some cedar planks and a stick to hold everything up. And then I discovered something. Foldable hinges. What? Stainless steel, they can stay outside, and instead of playing with all the cedar, just got a nice piece of live edge wood. All right, I'm just giving my tabletop a quick sand down. It's pretty rough. I'm starting with 80 grit and I'm gonna work my way up to 200. Just remember, always sand with the grain. If your wood is staying outside, always remember to give it the proper finish, whether that's a sealant, a paint. Today, I'm gonna be going with an oil-based stain. All right, I'm just laying out my brackets on the underside of my board to figure out where exactly I want them to sit. Then I'm gonna transfer the measurements over to the brick wall, grab some concrete anchors, and install them on the brick.
Don't forget to check the max weight load of the brackets. These ones hold up to 440 pounds.
I always try and get my concrete anchors into the brick instead of into the mortar. But in this situation, with 3 holes, one's gonna end up in the mortar. Brackets are secured and level. I am gonna lift the wood onto the brackets. Table is secure, brackets are trustworthy. I'm gonna grab my screws and attach it from the bottom. These brackets, they did come with screws, but I don't know if they're exterior grade, so I've decided to use deck screws instead. Make sure they're not too long.
All right, I think this goes without saying, but this is a drink table, not an extra seat around the hot tub.
Folding hot tub table. Bang! Nailed it.